Can you see the bird in the street right there? It has a small snake in its mouth. See it hanging onto the ground? It's probably about 12 inches long. He found it in the grass over there across the street where the other birds are getting stuff, and he ran over here fighting off a couple of his friends to eat that snake, which he still hasn't killed. He's trying to figure out how to get it down his throat. Look, his other friends are flying away. But he's still got that snake in his mouth. He's going to figure out how to swallow that thing. He's trying to do it head first. Maybe he's trying to... Looks like he's finally got it dead. Is he getting it? He's getting it. I'll be darned. Look at that. He did it. He ate it. He ate that whole snake. He shook it until he killed it, and he ate that whole snake. That's so crazy. Only in Florida.